Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you top 10 best Japanese garden design ideas and tips for creating beautiful garden with Japanese styles. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For centuries, Japanese gardens have captivated audiences with their tranquil beauty and profound connection to nature. More than just aesthetic landscapes, they embody philosophical principles and offer a sanctuary for reflection and peace. If you yearn for a backyard that evokes serenity and fosters mindfulness, then venturing into the world of Japanese garden landscaping might be the perfect path for you. In this article, we'll delve into the essence of this timeless art form, unveil its key elements, and guide you on creating your own Zen haven, inspired by the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. Beyond their undeniable aesthetic appeal, Japanese gardens offer a multitude of benefits. First, harmony with nature. They celebrate the natural world, promoting a sense of balance and interconnectedness. Second, stress reduction. Their serene design encourages mindfulness and promotes relaxation, fostering mental well-being. Third, aesthetic value. Their minimalist beauty adds elegance and sophistication to any outdoor space. Fourth, symbolic meaning. Each element within the garden holds symbolic meaning, enriching the experience for the observer. While creating an authentic Japanese garden requires dedication and knowledge, you can incorporate key elements to achieve a similar aesthetic. Plan the layout, define distinct areas, using pathways, stones, and water features to create visual interest. Embrace minimalism, focus on simplicity, using natural materials and avoiding clutter. Incorporate water, ponds, waterfalls, or even a simple water basin adds serenity and dynamism. Select plants wisely, opt for native or Japanese-inspired plants like bamboos, maples, and azaleas. Add symbolic elements, lanterns, pagodas, or stone sculptures enhance the meaning and ambience. There are the three essential elements of a Japanese garden. 1. Water. It represents purity, life, and dynamism. Ponds, waterfalls, or even a simple basin are key features. 2. Rocks and stones. They symbolize permanence, strength, and the natural world. Carefully placed stones create focal points and pathways. 3. Plants. They represent growth, change, and the beauty of nature. Choose plants that complement the overall design and suit your climate. And the plants that are best for Japanese garden landscaping such as 1. Trees, Japanese maples, Japanese pines, cherry blossoms, and bamboos. 2. Shrubs, azaleas, camellias, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas. 3. Ground covers, moss, ferns, and low-growing perennials. 4. Seasonal flowers, Japanese irises, lilies, and chrysanthemums. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best Japanese garden landscaping ideas. 1. Create a koi pond with stepping stones, enhance tranquility, and introduce vibrant life. 2. Design a dry landscape garden, karasansui utilize raked gravel and stones to represent water and mountains. 3. Build a moon viewing platform, create a dedicated space for peaceful contemplation under the night sky. 4. Incorporate a tea ceremony garden, cultivate a space for tranquility and ritual, inspired by Japanese tea traditions. 5. Utilize bamboo accents, introduce a touch of natural elegance with strategically placed bamboo features. 6. Create a Zen pathway with stepping stones, guide visitors through your garden with intention and mindfulness. 7. Integrate a Shinto shrine, foster a sense of spiritual connection with a small, symbolic shrine. 8. Design a waterfall feature, add the soothing sound of flowing water to your garden retreat. 9. Incorporate moss gardens, create a textural and visually calming ground cover. 10. Illuminate your garden with lanterns, enhance the ambience and extend enjoyment into the evening hours. Transforming your backyard into a Japanese-inspired haven is a journey of self-discovery and connection with nature. By incorporating the principles and elements explored in this article, you can cultivate a space that fosters peace, mindfulness, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of the world around you. Remember, the journey itself is as rewarding as the destination. So, embrace the creative process, personalize your design, and most importantly, enjoy the tranquil oasis you create. Don't forget to visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for even more inspiration and expert tips on bringing your dream Japanese garden to life. Let's cultivate serenity together. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs and hit the notification bell so you never miss new videos on garden design, DIY projects, and home decor inspiration. Share your Japanese garden dreams and creations in the comments below, and let's connect with the community of design enthusiasts. Remember, serenity awaits. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful Japanese garden design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.